I am honored today to be here at Symbios. I am excited to be here with Dr. Stephen Luther. It is such an amazing treat to see you. We visited a few minutes ago, and the last time I interviewed you, we were talking about vision. We were talking about shifting mindsets. We were talking about living our dreams and creating new things. Wow. Beautiful job. Symbios is probably one of the most interesting and phenomenal experiences I've had in the past year.
Wow.
Can you talk
Thank you.
about what you have done here?
Thanks, Debbie. Well, it's an honor to be with you again. I love your energy, your enthusiasm, and I think we've got a kindred spirit. And I think, as we've talked before, for me, having practiced medicine for about 25 years or so, sort of going up in the allopathic system, my thought process was always, what's the problem? What's the pill? And trying to solve it that way. But as I've kind of studied that through the years of my practice, I've realized that that doesn't necessarily translate into better health or happiness. But what truly does is just taking a look at what we have in common as human beings, what we need to live our life in a satisfying, fulfilling way. And for me, that starts with a good night's rest, having good fundamental restorative sleep. That's critical for our health. Focusing on good nutrition, and those usually involve amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals from good whole foods. Then we take a look at how our bodies move functionally and mechanically and how they're created to move. And we all face three obstacles every day: time, distance, and weight. So if you just take a look at how your body moves, put it against time, distance, and weight, and exercise it, you will get stronger. You'll have more endurance. You'll have more power. You'll be able to enjoy more of life.
So how have you translated your philosophy, concretely? Because the truth is, we're sitting here.
Right.
So tell me a little bit about Symbios, what it does, how it works.
Basically, it brings all of this together. For 25 years, I'd walk out of my exam room and see a patient and say, boy, if I only had this, if I only had that. Well, now we have one of the most advanced nutrition programs that we could provide for our community. And I've got that in an educational basis. I have a fitness center that people can be a part of that's world-class over at Port Royal Plaza. And then we have women's health care here. We have a medical aesthetic spa. I've got physical therapy to help your body move in the way it should. And then we have on-site lab services so that you don't have to go far. But to have all this under one roof and to be able to deliver that care, that's the dream, that's the vision.
One of the things that's been interesting to me is your focus has always been on relationship building too. My assumption is when you have everything, Symbios, it's a perfect name. When you have everything that is care coordinated, it would seem to be very conducive to health and wellness.
Yeah, this is not an obligatory relationship. This is a relationship of choice that we get to develop with one another. And I get to learn every day from my patients. I get to learn things that they may teach me that they've read about. And then obviously I'm passionately dedicated and read all the time about things in healthcare and try to bring information to people that I think would empower them to live the happiest and healthiest life that they would like to live.
If we're interested in participating in joining the practice, in really looking at Symbios as a whole and learning about all of the things that we can about what you all do here, where can we either make an appointment, get a consultation, websites?
Right, and we have all of that available at www.mysymbios.com, and our phone number's all there too. Certainly primary care is probably the main portal of entry where we will see people. Women's care will also be another one.
Yes, I'm excited about that.
And then the program that we're really excited about too is Direct Care, which is a program for people that don't have health insurance, and we've created an affordable product that includes a comprehensive evaluation, laboratory work, and unlimited visits, and so that's a very nice program.
Well, our goal today is really to introduce Symbios to you, the public, and really to congratulate you, Dr. Luther, on seeing your vision through, and hopefully we can learn more and more about this entity and the way we may be able to become patients or participate. So I thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Debbie.